Hey guys, in this video I'll tell you how you can use Snapchat filters. So for this, first of all open your Snapchat application and then friends, simply tap on center camera option and here you can flip your front camera by tapping on this option and friends, if you want to use filters, so for this simply tap and swipe to the left side and you will find a lot of Snapchat filters. And friends, if you want, you can also search so many filters by tapping on search option friends here. And here you will get a lot of Snapchat filters and you can also search for any specific filter by tapping on search option. And friends, if you want to click a picture by using Snapchat filter, so simply choose a Snapchat filter and simply tap on center option, center circle option. And friends, if you want to create videos by using Snapchat filters, for this simply tap on this option and hold that center button. And friends, if you just want to click a photo or image, so simply tap on circle option friends, and guys you can see our photo is clicked. And guys, if you want to send to your friends on Snapchat, so for this simply tap on send option, and if you want to save in your gallery, simply tap on save option friends, and if you want to send, simply tap on blue color send to option and tap on your friend list, and you simply friends you can send to your Snapchat friends. So guys, if you have any questions, please comment on this video, must like and subscribe to our channel.